Hey everyone, I'm here to tell you about an exciting project we recently completed to enhance fish habitat and improve the fishing in Lake Hickory and Lookout Shoals Lake. Cover that is present when a lake initially fills, such as trees or rocks, helps maintain good fishing by providing fish with habitat for refuge and foraging, and by concentrating fish and making it easier for anglers to find them. But over time, the amount of habitat present decreases as cover either rots away or gets buried by sediment. And given that these lakes were both built around 100 years ago, very little good quality fish habitat remains in either lake. To offset this loss of natural habitat, we added a total of 275 artificial fish attractors to both lakes. Attractors were placed at 15 sites on Lake Hickory and 10 sites on Lookout Shoals Lake, with 11 attractors being deployed at each site. We used mossback fish attractors for this project. The trunks are 5 feet tall, the limbs are 5 feet long, and the entire structures are made of recycled PVC. We attached them to oversized cinder blocks weighing 55 pounds apiece to help keep them in place during floods. We spaced the attractors as evenly as possible throughout each lake so that anglers would never be very far from a good place to fish. And we marked all the sites with buoys to make them easy to find. To ensure that the attractors would hold fish year-round, we tried to place them in 10 to 18 feet of water. This depth range should remain above the thermocline during most years and contain enough oxygen to support fish even when the lake's stratified during the summertime. While we periodically undertake projects like this at other lakes across the state, they are usually much smaller in scale due to the high cost of the attractors. We were able to buy so many attractors for this project thanks to a grant from the Habitat Enhancement Program. The Habitat Enhancement Program is a cooperative initiative between Duke Energy and the Wildlife Commission to improve fish and wildlife habitat along the Catawba River and its reservoirs. You can find maps and GPS coordinates for these attractors, along with all the other fish attractors deployed across the state by the Commission, by visiting the Fishing Attractor Map page at ncwildlife.org.